Hello, ma'am. We are going to assemble our WeaveAlly Loom. First, you have to take these two frames, ma'am. The both sides should be the same design, ma'am. So you have to place it accordingly, and you have to take the two reapers, ma'am. One you have to assemble in the horizontal line. You can see through the two holes. One will be in the straight position, one is this horizontal position, ma'am. And you need some star screw, ma'am. Star screws we are already giving. You have star screw driver to assemble it, ma'am. Star screw will help you to assemble this, ma'am. If you are doing alone, but you have to do one by one, ma'am. But if you have the support one, you can just place it two sides and you can insert. With the help of star screw driver, ma'am, you have to assemble like this. You have to tie it like this. It should be very fit, ma'am. Then only it won't be shake at all. Once you fix that both screws, ma'am, then this have to be in this standing position, ma'am. That one will be in that position, one will be in this position. And to use the both screws, ma'am. You have to do it very tightly, ma'am. If you are doing alone, just check both sides. Ma'am, if you are doing it alone, you have to make it like this, ma'am. You have to fix that screw like this. So it will help you. Just fix the both sides, ma'am. You just turn down that side. Just fix the both screw. Then you have to tie it with the star screw, ma'am. Ma'am, now we have to take two beams. We have to insert from the one side. Which we have two holes here now. Actually, see one hole here now. So this side, this gear set should come, ma'am. Actually, you have to fix like this. to take the one. That side should be a warping weave, ma'am. This is a front side, this is a back side. You can see small hole there, ma'am. There you have to put some locks. Yes. Just lock with some wooden piece, ma'am. Or if it is a steel, that we will provide, ma'am. This is a reed we have to assemble, ma'am. Center side you can check.